Bad exposures. This is my shot. What went wrong? Other than what they're doing in the frame. That actually went right. I love this. This is fantastic. Yep.
Flash didn't go off, or it's a third shooter just not knowing what they're doing at all.
I was having some flash. No. Wow. Wow. Matt said either the flash didn't go off or your third shooter had no idea what they were doing. You're right. My third shooter had no idea what they were doing.
Hey, I was your third shooter.
Sorry. You're right. It was my third shooter. My flash didn't go off, right? Okay. Fortunately, there is, and this, like I'd say this is a deliverable shot. It's hilarious. These are the bridesmaids. I know the bride would love this shot. So, fortunately, with the 5D4s, we do have more leeway than we did. We can pull it out, but it's still not going to look good. So. So we go black and white. So as a black and white, this image is still very salvageable. This is one of those cases of like, I would deliver this and deliver it only as a black and white. There's no way that the color's ever going to be okay on this shot. Okay, what happened here? Who shot this?
Oh. Can't tell. That's gotta be me.
Is this a Seville?
NEF.
What happened, bro? Don't tell me you don't have that much shadow leeway.
I bet I do.
Let me see. Nope.
Yeah, no. It's getting a little grainy.
You also lost your sky.
All right. So really with a shot like this, I mean, we're stuck with the silhouette. You know, you're stuck with like a pure silhouette type shot, and even at that, you're going to have to warm it up quite a bit and burn down, and there's not going to be a whole lot that we're going to do to save this type of an image. It's all right. It's all right, Maddie. I've effed up so many shots. Don't worry. What went wrong? Probably no lens hood. Also, look at the histogram, man. What the heck? Talk about ETDR. This is way too far exposed to the right. We have so much room to pull that down. So look, we are exactly 2.3 stops overexposed, right? Fix it by doing this. Just go black crush, okay? Jump right down to black crush and just amp it up. There you go. Just amp that shiz up, man. Okay, we're going to do a burn. Pull the attention in, and we have something that's salvageable. If it's a good shot, it's salvageable, but it's going to need a lot of blacks. And your highlights and stuff are still going to be kind of like, the grass is just going to look a little bit gnarly. You can tone it down a little bit and see if you can preserve some, depending on how much is gone, but it's going to be a little bit bright. Okay. What went wrong here? What was that? Whose shot was this? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. So for me, what's going on here is like the couple's not bright enough to what the background should have been, right? They're too close, and therefore he's going for something dramatic, yet the couple is too close to where the background actually is in brightness. Is it fixable? Yeah, it is. We're going to go standard color, okay? And you're going to, you know, do what Liz wants you to do and just fix that crop like this. Are we okay, Liz? Yeah. Yeah? Is that okay? Okay, okay. That'll do. That'll do. Okay, what I'm going to say is get your couple to where you want them. We still want it to be somewhat dramatic. And now you're going to burn the shiz out of this. Okay? That's really where it would have been in terms of like the exposure. Like if we wanted to lift them out of the frame, not kind of let them sink into it. And then find the right temperature, obviously. A warmer temperature on this kind of shot is probably ideal. Okay? It is fixable still. All right, so these are all examples of bad exposure. Only one of these is like, this one, I think we can fix this as like a moody silhouette type shot. But Yeah. Matt has, I'm sure, a lot of amazing shots in this scene, so this is one of those examples we probably just let go and take one of the other ones. Maybe it was an HDR, Matt, and I just messing with you by pulling the dark exposure out of it. But I'm not.
It was probably a second thought silhouette while I was doing flashed shots.
If this were a silhouette, it'd be beautiful. The only issue for me that's killing it as a silhouette is his arm placement. Like the form, the lack of form and kind of figure in the shot is ruining it for me. It looks like kind of like her arms and his, yeah, the boob arm is like connecting. And then not quite going for it. All right, let's go on to the next video before these guys fall asleep. Gosh, I even gave all of you 5-hour energies. What's wrong with you? Just kidding, I love you guys. You're awake, good. Let's go on.